Hey, it is Lieutenant Skip here, guys. I just wanted to do a quick video coming towards the end of the year. I'm not one for New Year's resolutions or things like that, but I know a lot of folks are, thinking about things. You can't help it. It's that time of the year. It's messaged out there through the media. People are spending time with their family, things like that. So things come up. What have you been doing? Where are you at? What are your plans for the future? Is that really what you want to do? That whole spectrum of conversations. But one thing that I am about and that I sort of wanted to talk to you about was think about where you are today. You are where you are today because of things that you did last week, last month, last year. The things that you put into action, the things you did not put into action culminate to where you are today. So what do you want to do next year? Where do you want to be next year? I think that is something that's valuable to think about, something they should always be analyzing. Not a New Year's resolution, but going after your goals, going after what you want, and staying committed to that. And that's the big thing, right? I think a lot of the New Year's resolutions can go by the wayside because it's not enough of a priority. The ones that are, people stick with. So don't think of this as that. But what do you want to be? What is your future going to hold for you? What are you going to dedicate to that future? And what are you going to do about it? What are you going to start doing and putting into action today, this week, next week, that will take you to that dream, to that commitment to yourself? It may not be easy. There may be a lot of things that you have to overcome or things that you have to push through. But if it really is worth it, you will. So what are you going to start doing today, next week, next month to get you to where you want to be? So Lieutenant Skip, I hope everyone has a great time with family and friends during this holiday season. And good luck. We'll talk to you later.